Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry the angle's a little weird. I have the camera set up in my truck, but this is the only way. It's not gonna fall until I drive. So yeah, it's like 12 right now in the afternoon. It's noon. I don't know why I just say noon. Today's my day off, but I need to go run some errands. The order of lashes that I ordered isn't gonna be in before my appointments tomorrow. So I have to go buy some at this place that I've gone to a few times to buy some. It's the only in-store place that I know of. So I've gone there a few times. I'm eating this little oatmeal thing that I got from Kroger. It's alright. I'm just starting to eat oatmeal. I'm not mad. Alright. But yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up lashes, and then if I have time, I want to go to a few thrift shops that are out there because the area is kind of nicer, and actually thrift shops equals nicer stuff. I went to one the other day, but in Garland, and I actually found some really cute Tommy Hilfiger shorts that fit me like a freaking glove, and I bought them, and they were only $2.99. So yeah, I actually just bought 2 shorts from Fashion Nova, but they're for like a rave that I'm trying to go to, or going to. So yeah, none of my shorts fit me anymore just because I've gained weight, and so summer's coming around the corner and I need shorts. So literally none of mine fit me anymore except for the Tommy Hilfiger ones that I just bought, and hopefully the Fashion Nova ones that I got fit me, because I don't even know. Jake was so cute. He said yesterday went so great, I can't wait to marry you. I'm kidding. Okay, I need to go put gas, and then I'm gonna be driving. Also, my hair is wet. I look like a bum. I'm probably gonna get sick because of that. Great! Oh, and I'm obsessed with coffee now. I brought in a red cup because I couldn't find one that had a straw in it. Yeah, okay. I didn't put enough sweetener in it. That was really strong. Okay, gotta go though. Okay, hopefully this stays like this. So I just picked up my eyelashes from this store or whatever. Every time I order stuff from them, literally they get my order wrong every single time. So like I literally have to check it every single time in front of them and be like, it's wrong. Every time. And I usually only come to this place if like my stuff that I order online isn't gonna get here on time for my appointment. So this is why I drove out here, because I need some by tomorrow, and I know my package isn't gonna get here by tomorrow. So it's just like super freaking annoying, like every time they get it wrong. And the girls that work here at the front desk have literally the biggest freaking attitudes all the time. But you know, I try to be nice and like not trip. Fuck, I know I was gonna have to turn here. And there's a million cars coming. Anyways, I have some time to kill. I'm picking up my sister at 3. It's 1 o'clock, but I'm about 45 minutes from home. So I'm gonna go to a thrift store that's around here, and then just go home after that, probably, just so I know I make it on time to pick her up. So yeah, I'm on my way to a thrift store. There's another one that I wanted to go to, but they're like they're 5 minutes apart or 6 minutes apart from each other, so I'm just gonna see if I can go to both. Maybe one's a Goodwill, one's a I don't know, just like another thrift shop, I guess. But yeah, okay, BRB. Okay, I made it to Goodwill real quick. I haven't got off yet, obviously. Okay, but I'm gonna show y'all. There's a song that I've been listening to for the past month, and it's like a really old song, like 80s, I think. And you know how like newer songs, like sometimes they'll use beats from older songs and like redo it or whatever. Damn it, wherever I park somewhere so no one could come in front of me, but there's someone in front of me watching, so I'm gonna act like I'm on the phone. But anyways, the song, there's a part in it that I know there's another song that's like maybe early 2000s that used this part of the song, and it's driving me insane because I can't figure out like what song it is. So I'm gonna play it real quick. It's called "Cause I Love You" by Lenny Williams. I'm gonna go to the part that it sounds like. That right there. That part where he goes, that part. And so for a second, I thought it was "Girl" by Paul Wall, and it kind of sounds like it, but like, I know it's not that song. I know it's another one, but it drives me crazy because I can't figure out like which one it is. I'm gonna play that one real quick. I want this lady to freaking move so I can look at the camera. It's Paul Wall, baby. Okay. When he goes, "Oh girl," that kind of reminded me of it, but like I don't think so. Okay, see, it could be that one, but like clearly it's not. Or I don't know, it could be, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go inside Goodwill and then I'll come back and finish recording because this lady is still freaking staring at me. I was literally only in there, what time is it? Like less than 10 minutes because I needed to hurry really bad. But anyways, this place didn't have dressing rooms, so I just went ahead and bought 3 shorts. I put them against me. I hope they fit good, but I have to go. I should get home like 20 minutes before 3, and so I can probably try them on for you guys and then show you guys a pair that I got like 2 days ago, because those were really nice, or they are really nice. I'm putting my hair in a braid because it's getting I just freaking poked myself. It's getting a little frizzy and I'm hot. I didn't know it was gonna be hot today. It was freezing cold yesterday, so I'm dying. And I have all black on, literally all black. But okay, I'm gonna head home and then I'll do like a little haul, kind of, if they fit me, and I'll show you guys the other pair that I got. So let's freaking go. Anyways, oh my god, my throat hurts. I am going to try on the shorts that I got. I have no idea how they're gonna fit, so I'm gonna try them on real quick, and then me and Diego are gonna go get tattoos today. We were supposed to yesterday, but it didn't end up happening, so today's the day. Oh, not yesterday, 2 days ago. So let me try on these shorts real quick and I'll be right back. So these are one pair. They fit me pretty good from up here. They're a little bit loose right here, but I don't mind that. My butt looks good. I should fix these. They're honestly a little bit tight from like right here, but I'm not mad. I could fold them and make them a little bit tighter, just because they are a little bit loose from here, but I don't mind wearing them without them being folded. But they go up pretty high, so looks good. Alright, these are another pair. These were literally so freaking hard to put on. I think maybe these might have been altered because this, look at how small like it makes my waist look, right? And it hugs it perfectly, which I really like. But like getting this up this area, I literally like broke a sweat trying to put them on. So these are right here from the front. They look like from the back. I like the whole big pocket stuff, and then how they fit around my thighs. So really cute. The other one I had already put it on. They don't fit me. They're way too baggy, and like baggy from up here, baggy just everywhere. So I got these fit. So thank God. I'm gonna try on. Let me get this back. Okay, so these are the Tommy Hilfiger ones. Is that how you say that? These are the shortest ones that I own now because I got rid of a lot of mine. And so these are these. I love the pockets on them. Super cute. They're like the little Velcro pocket thing. And they're high-waisted. They fit really good. These are a little bit looser, so I feel more comfortable in these versus the other ones. I was a little bit tight from here and like couldn't move too much, but these are really nice. I forgot to film an outro, so this is like a few minutes later after I was filming. I straightened my hair already. But what I was saying is I usually have a hard time finding shorts that fit me right. Most of the time the shorts will fit me good around like my butt or like thigh area, like tighter. But since my waist is like smaller, it's not like, oh my god, like dramatic small, but like it's smaller. My shorts or jeans are usually like huge around my waist and like my back, like they'll stick out a lot or whatever. And so lately at the thrift store, anytime I bought like jeans or shorts, they usually like hug everything really well. So that's like super cool. And I also didn't know like what size I am now in jeans or shorts because I have gained weight. Usually like a 2 or 4, and most of my shorts lately have been 6s. So yeah, I mean, not that that matters, but I'm glad that I got to buy a whole new like set of shorts and literally only spent less than $10. So I spent one pair was okay, so $4, 2 and 2, that's 8 plus, how much were the other ones? $2.99 plus 3, $11. But one pair didn't fit me and that pair was $2.50. So I mean, even $11 for 4 pairs of shorts, like what? So yeah, so that was cool. I usually don't ever really find like shirts or dresses or anything. I really just look for jeans. I haven't really looked too much at shirts, just because most of the time they're like dingy or just like t-shirts because they are like used or whatever. But I found some pretty nice shorts that were in amazing shape and really good quality. So yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.